guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a TN stuff haul. Technical terms here. So let's go ahead, we'll push most of this out of the way and we will kind of get into the more decorative parts, and then we can kind of talk like papers and what I'm thinking for them. I thought of doing a like TN like setup thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna be good enough to do that like on my first go around. But I may just film it, and then it is what it is when it's in the end. All right, so I got these little clips. These are gold, but they kind of look more bronze. They're not like a bright gold, so I may end up spray painting them because I still have gold from my wedding. But I thought these were super cute. These, I don't remember how much they were. They're from Michael's. Right? Yeah, I believe they're from Michael's. Or they may be from Target. No, Michael's. Michael's. And then I got these guys, which I thought were perfect for kind of like any time. Like black and gold and white. You can't really go wrong. And then these I got from Target, which I thought were super fun. There we go. Because I like these types of clips. Like I even have one in currently, I haven't done really anything, but like I like having the opposite pages that I don't have together clipped. Does that make sense? So like the pages I'm not using because I don't want it to flip through, but I feel like that's why people do it on this side with like a bookmark. Yeah, that could be better, but I'm finding that's pretty functional for me, so I like that. So I got these ones in rose gold, of course black, white, and then the rose gold because you'll see my paper. And then I got some simple ribbon. I'm going to do a bow, and that's gonna be like what I tie my bow with. I thought that was super cute. Gonna use this to make my dashboards, like not laminated because I have laminating pockets, but like to put it together. And then I got these pockets. So these are from Amazon. These two things were from Amazon, and these are photo pockets. You can use them for anything, but they're 12 3x4, so they're like the perfect size to just slip something in on like a dashboard. So let's grab this guy. Like if I want to put one down here, totally perfect, because then you have your dashboard in the middle, like cut them. I think it'll be great. And then these guys I also got from Amazon, and here's the package, but I had taken it out and I'm like, oh, I should be better. So there's 6 2x3s, 6 8x5s, and 12 6x4s. So didn't really think the 8x5s, like I knew 8x5, but like being an idiot sometimes like does not necessarily work for you. So what I'm thinking that I could do, I could put these on a dashboard, is put it on and then kind of cut it. So like cut it at that angle. So it's almost like the dashboard is like a full pocket. So, and they come clear, because I was super worried when I got it. I was like, oh my God, are they yellow? No, they're not yellow. They're clear, so you don't have to worry about that. So the backing is just what's yellow, because I was like, oh my God, did I just get some yellow pockets? Or like, were they out in the sun and everything turned yellow? So yeah, those are the really big ones, and there's 6 of those. And then there's 12 of these guys, right? You know, maybe it's, I don't think there's 12 of any. 12 6x4s. That would be 6x4. Maybe there are. I don't know. So this one is like the perfect size. Like if you want to come in here and put that in the middle, like that, I feel like is the perfect size. And then we got these ones, which are like the much smaller ones. These are the 2x3. This does not look like 3. And this does not look like 2, but I guess it kind of is. It looks kind of more like 2.5. Maybe they're talking about like the actual pocket. Let's math some things out here. So, yeah. That's 4 by 3. That's not even a thing. That's not even, there's a 6 by 4. This is a 4.5 by 6. So this must be the 4, yeah, so they're doing the actual pocket on this one. But that's not the right size. The other size is 2 by 3. And even if you were to do, like, let me just go ahead and put this in. Like, that's still 2.5, unless they're talking about, no? I don't know, I'm fine with the sizes. However, that's not true. 2 by 3, 8 by 5. Let's see what this one is. 5.5 by almost 9. Yeah, math must be hard. It's 5 with the pocket, but it's still 8. That's still 8, and let me go to the 1 inch. That's almost 9. Yeah. Obviously, don't listen to that, which is the packaging. And I don't think they did the right amount of numbers either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I guess they did. And then 6 of those. So I guess that number is correct. 1 out of 2, right? I feel like that was like such an idiot moment. And then I got some papers. I got some plain vellum as well. So this is just off Amazon. It's 50 sheets and I can print on it. So like make my own. And then I thought this would be a cute one to add in and make a dashboard and it be like a wedding picture to put in. Because I thought that would be kind of cute. I got some pink vellum. And then I got this because it matches the color scheme. So I thought it would be pretty, that does not. So I thought it'd be pretty to kind of put like different ones in the pocket depending on how I'm feeling. And then I got this, I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I thought maybe just adding, it's another like wedding one. I probably didn't need that one, but I thought I would get it anyway. And then I got some acetate. I got one that has white and it's like little quotes. So you have like, grow where you are planted, keep your face to the sun, I think. I want to say pun, but I think it's sun. Write the book you want to read. So like they're just like positive quotes. Live adventurously. Delight in the little things. So there are like little quotes on it. So I got the white one and then I got this, I got 2 gold and rose gold ones. So there's gold on one side and rose gold on the other. I got 2 of those. Same with these dots. Rose gold on one side, gold on the other. And then this is what I'm thinking, again, that glitter. This is what I'm thinking my color scheme is going to be. So if you watched my vlogs, although this will be up way before my vlogs, I completely went a different direction than what I said. So there's rose gold essentially outlining, you can kind of see it on the leaves, most of the flowers and some of the leaves. And then I got this one. So these 2 are like the gray and like this light pink peach. And that's why I thought this would kind of be like perfect because it's closer to the like pink that's in there. And then I got some marble. I got 3 of them. Oh yeah, I got 3 of them. And it's foiled and then white on the back. So I thought maybe I could put the marble, because again, these are all blank on the back. I wish they just had like a simple pattern. So maybe marble on one side, flowers on the other. So that was kind of my thought on that. And then last but not least, I got the honeycomb. And this is, I believe, vellum. I don't think, yeah, this is a vellum. So it's not, it's this, it's not like an actual paper, which I should have got 2 of, but I didn't. So yeah, that's it. And I'm like terrified to do a setup on video. So I may not do it and just do a flip through of my setup, because I feel like there's a lot of pressure and I feel like I'm failing already. So yeah, I think I'm going to skip this setup video, like me actually doing it, because yeah, I'm a little intimidated, okay? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.